Hello everyone, I'm Helen from Vietnam, China. Today I'm going to introduce you the installation steps of 62 kWh battery pack. The 62 kWh battery pack is 25 mm higher than original battery pack, so we will need 10 solid spaces as this. Very solid. Total will be 10. 2 will be installed at the front. Each side 3, and 2 will be at the back. 1, 2. 2 spaces installed at the front. Each side 3. Even though the 62 kWh battery pack is 25 mm higher than the original pack, but you can find it is still higher than the car back rod, so it has no effect on your daily driving.